Abantu abaningi bahlangabezane nezimo ekuphileni
abantu
kwabo.
besifazane abasebancane iy'mpilo zabo eziningi ubheka ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana bagcine sebeholeleka ophathe ngenxa yokuhekwa ngabantu ebathembisa izinto ezinhle futhi ney'nkulu. Abanye bagcine sebeboshwa, abanye bagcina sebehlala emajele ngenxa yodili kajele. Sanibonani, igama lami uNkululeko Khanyi. This is a conversation with uKhanyi. Ohlelweni namhlanje sinentokazi enhle eyagcina iboshiwe yahlala ejele okufanele bodili kajele ngenxa yokuthanda izinto, ngenxa yokunganeliseki, kodwa ibuya ekhaya elalilihle futhi zalo nangabefundisa abadumile, kodwa ngenxa yokuthanda izinto yagcina isejele. Sawubona ntokazi, sawubona sisomuhle.
Nkosi yami. Ninjani?
Kuyintokozo ukuthi sibe nawe la hlelweni.
Wow, jabule mina. Thank you for having me, Mr. Khanyi. Thank you so much.
Sixoxele uSisi umuntu othanda izinto vele.
Well, I would like to say this. Usisi, yes. Yes, umathanda izinto. Ube thanda izinto.
Okay.
Yes, bengithanda izinto kakhulu. I was not even content. You know, ekhaya they've tried. Bazama ngakho konke but lokuthanda izinto.
Yeah.
Kwangiphushela kwenye nje impilo. So, yeah.
Uzalelwe South Africa, uzalelwa ngokubuya nomhlaba.
Well, uLindiwe kwaMdlalose ke lona. I'm born in Benoni. There's a small location called Wattville.
Okay.
And then I grew up at Vosloorus. So coming from a Christian background, my father is a bishop, no mama. We were taught how to pray.
Wait. Ubosha uzalwa umfundisi.
Oh, yes. Yes, I'm here to help. You know, I'm a PK.
Uzalwa umfundisi.
Qobolwakhe, the most anointed man of God, powerful man of God, but look at ukuthi uLindiwe wagcinaphi. Ngizalwa Bishop Mdlalose. Yazi, you know, I was brought up very well. Kai, Baba, no mama, they taught us how to pray very well. I can pray very well, fasting and everything. But because of this thing that I grew up with, you know, not to be content and to envy other people's life, yinto yangiphushela ekutheneni ngiyithole nami sengisentweni le ebizwa nge-drug trafficking.
Okay. Ukhula kanjani? Ingane enjani nje mawukhula ekhaya?
I was more like a shy person. Umuntu othanda ukuba yi-one. You know, mangikhula, I think at age of 10 years, 9 years, my dad used to complain. Whenever kuza abazalwane ekhaya, I would prefer to be alone in my room because I loved my space. So I would say it's all started in 2007 because uLindiwe Mdlalose, before I move forward, let me just introduce myself just for the people to know who is Lindiwe.
Siyaya lapho.
Okay. So ngikhula nje ngumuntu shy. So the only thing that made me ukuthi ngiqhaqheke is when I was starting to be involved in entertainment because I'm a musician.
Ubani ngahlahla uLindiwe wangathi iziningi evelayo.
Okay.
Namhlanje sifuna ukumazi lentokazi yakwaNyanda kwaMdlalose.
Thank you so much, Mr. Khanyi. Well, uLindiwe Mdlalose, she's a musician. I'm into gospel kakhulu, but I do freelancing as well. I do sing other genres, but focus yami kakhulu is gospel because I'm coming from a Christian background, like I said before. So Lindiwe Mdlalose as well. I'm a mother of two beautiful angels.
Wow.
Yes, and also I'm a motivational speaker.
Oh.
The motivation part of it, it's not just because people are doing it, but it's because of the testimony where we are heading to, you know. So yeah, Lindiwe Mdlalose, ngibe introduced into the world of entertainment in 2007.
Okay.
Yes. So uThogo, my aunt, we call her a legend, uThogo Mdlalose. She's the one who groomed me because she was into umbhaqanga.
Okay.
You know, in terms of stage appearance and stuff, she's the one who groomed me. So I was busy working with her 2007, no aunt. And then, you know, entertainment industry, a lot is happening. Like I said to you, Mthandi Zinto, you know, I was like that person, Mthandi Buhle. You know, we call them all slay queen today. You know, I grew up, you know, even in Bugelama movie, when I see those girls, you know, those happening girls, I would say, I want to be like, you know, them one day. So, lendo young pushe, like, let me work on it until I see myself, gipila le, those slay.
So ukhula nje uthanda izinto uthi uma ubheka izinto wena uthi nje one day ngifuna ukuba nje uyafunda uyaqeda esikoleni.
Yes ngifundile.
Usungena la ku entertainment industry.
Yes.
Ulidela kanjani ugcine soba tempted ekutheni nangu lindiwe sekuyi drugs activist against abantu abathatha idakamizwa nabenza thengisa human trafficking, drugs trafficking. Ufika kanjani sewufika lapho uzalwa ngabefundisi because sazi ukuthi thina sazi ukuthi ingane zabefundisi baholi uma bevuka bakhuluma ngoJesu o bakhuluma ngenkolo yabo sazi ukuthi mabenjini encane kufanele babe inkolo yonke into ihlangana nebemoli sibathatha njengeyingilosi nyana bese abazali bebezingilosi the angels nyana. Ufika kanjani wena sewufika la sowuboshwa khona udilika jele ngenxa yedakamizwa awusiphe nje open umbukelo sekhaya?
Thank you for raising leyo issue ukuthi abantwana babafundisi nisithatha njengama angels. Today I'm here to talk to ama-PKs as well because there's this thing ukuthi siphila kabuhlungu. I won't hide that. Remember, we are human beings. It's just that it happened ukuthi we were born ekhayeni le-Christianity ngabafundisi. But we all have ukuthi siyafikelwa leso sikhathi abantwana babafundisi ukuthi nami I wanna go around ngiyogroova njengabanye abantwana. You understand me? So uLindwe Mdlalose, like I said, ngikhule ngishayi and then ngaqhaqheka when I started ukungena ku-entertainment. So why Lindwe Mdlalose 2007 busy no and sihambi eDurban doing siyabhaska senza ama-tours 99. And then 2008 sengiqala manje ukubona the world ye-entertainment ukuthi siyakhala msila. Kunempilo, kunemali la. Thola ke abangani. Those friends of mine, they were living large, but the problem is that leso sikhathi 2008 there were no gigs. You know, we were hustling to get ama-gigs bokutough. Financially so bokutough, but into different ngami nabo ngiphila nabo impintshi zami bayasileya like khona into abangangitsheli yona la khona my friends
levels got the level
yeah and we're still struggling. There are no gigs, we are not performing, but look at them. You need to know there must be something abangifihlela yona. I'd like to mention this kuma ladies sangibhekile ukuthi yazini asifundeni ukuthi sibe patient ngempilo uNkulunkulu asibekele because all of us uNkulunkulu unempilo asibekele in that life will come isikhathi sakhe. Ukungabi content and ukuhalela impilo yabanye abantu kuyingozi. I started envying these girls. Then I remember one thing athi no. Bochoni mtshelela nenza ngani? Like ngiyayifisa lempilo and ayikho because as perform. But kimi girl isibindi unaso. Like isibindi unaso. I'm like, yazini isibindi I think that's what I said. I think inaso for as long as ngizoyenza imali. But okay, if you say so, isibindi isikhona. We are into drug trafficking. Have you heard about drug trafficking? Yeah. I'm like, yeah, drug trafficking, okay. Yeah, I've heard about that. It's like you are hamba, you know, you're going out of this country, maybe you have Africa, USA, let him drugs. I've seen danger about yes. So this is what we do. Tinas travel all around the world. It's traffic drugs. Yeah. So if you are saying you are strong enough to do that, then we don't have a problem. We'll take you to our boss. So okay, ngavulela amehlo ngathi yes shuthi lempilo le bengiloku ngiyilangazelela ngiyibona nakumabona ngiyilanga sekuyima nje ngizoyiphila. Well, from there bathi kithi okay Lindwe, since you are saying you are in, we are going to talk to our boss. Sizobeka i-meeting uzokuchazisela ke ukuthi kusetshenzwa kanjani. Nangempela bafonela boss but we've got this other lady you're interested, you know, she's saying she can do whatever for as long as she's going to make money. What to boss, okay, bring her along. Ngaya ngafika ka boss. Mangifika ka boss, the first question na yangibuza yona wathi, are you bold enough
Kwasho ukuthi ulindile.
Hayi lalela.
Kunalana.
Hayi lalela, but isipindi sikhona na. I'm like lalela boss. For as long as I'm going to make money and slay around and then live the life that I want to live, man, I can do it. Ati, yo, when are you speaking our language? Ati lalela. Fine. What drug trafficking? Tina, what we do normally for a person like you, Marafika, a first timer like you, we need to change your image because lalela, you'll be going in and out airport. Airport na yomele like amaphoyisa melanga mana tata buza ama question unnecessary. Mababona, they should see this business lady, this business woman.
You wanna tell me about all this? Some of the ladies, let me say that all of them.
Yes.
Some of those ladies that we saw them in our airports. They don't have a luggage. They share ngama penciling. They share ngama waves. They cover the ziketi za bezinhle. Namashataba mahle. Thinking ukuthi they are business women. Is the image.
It might not be, but it's not. It does not apply to everyone.
Okay.
You know. But if you are into this, but I still namanje kusenziwa njalo. You need to ubukeke. You cannot travel the world ungahlaba.
The appearance.
Appearance, it counts. You know, mongene airports, they need to feel you with you. Oh, lalela ugeli uyayiphile. So that I'm a question anything. You understand? Okay. Look at me, I'll enter airport in obviously they are going to ask me when they check my ticket to Brazil or Dubai. That brings suspicion on its own.
Okay.
So the level, the image must.
So they change the image then.
Yes. But you need to change your image. Like your perfume, your luggage, your handbag. Yonke melikulu mutu niyapila. Who business woman. Bakande ube lehanto. Efunakala ngathi. Yo. Tell my guy there and I've been dreaming about this life. All along. But okay, what's going to happen is that we are going to buy you a ticket. And then we're going to take you for a shopping. Clothes, whatever.
Like
South Africa beforehand. And we'll give you pocket money, good pocket money. And then when you reach that site, you're still going to meet people about the welcome airport. They're still going to do the same thing. They will take you to a very nice hotel where you're going to have like courtesy shop for a week, and then they will still give you pocket money. Because of what? You know? But okay, what are we in at? What as in like man, we need really a person that will go to Brazil. That was 2008. Next week, you'll be leaving this country. We have a Brazil. Yo, lalela yindom come excited sisihamba sibuyele emuva nabangani. Uma ngifike ekhaya, I need to prepare them. I need to ngizoba nohambo. Ngihamba manje. Angisahamba amaDurban no-auntie ngiphelele la eMzansi. Manje sengiyaya ngale overseas. I need to prepare my parents manje ngibatshela ukuthi ziyakhala manje ngizoba busy ngizoba umuntu obusy kakhulu. What they knew ekhaya mangipusha yonke le shandisi bengiyenza, they knew ukuthi ulindiwe mangihamba. I used to tell them ukuthi in Cape Town we're going for a music tour. It's either ngihamba negroup thizeni, ngihamba nobani like yabakubasi lokho. Fine, the day came. Joba bashilo ukuthi zo shop bangiyenzele shopping, they did that. Bangiphamparisa ba change image. Lafika ilanga lami lokuthi ngihambe manje sengeBrazil. Airport. I was told ukuthi fear. Make sure ukuthi fear kusungani wakho. Even when you walk, even when you speak, you know you must uzizwe. Like during the week I'm busy like ama high heels wami loku ngishama. I'm turning, points lapha yani ukuthi ngiziprepare ukuthi mangene airport. Lalela airport mele ngaba disappoint labantu. The day came. Big airport ngishaya njengoba ngitsheliwe ukuthi wena business lady bayakhanda noma ukhuluma lapha batshela no I'm a business lady, I'm a business woman, I've got a shop.
Uyolanda
ama-drugs eBrazil, I'm telling you.
Wallet South Africa.
Yes.
Okay.
So mabakubuza uyaphi, obviously uyabuzwa. Now I'm going to Brazil for a holiday. Ngithenga ama-bags because I've got a shop here. So okay man. Like ngihambe. Nangempela mangifika ngibathole bangilindile as I was told ukuthi you get people abazokwamukela. Bangithathe bangise hotel lalela. Hey, Nothing. Lalela, I don't wanna lie. Yabona mina lesibindi benginaso. Ulindiwe loya from 2008 ukuze kuye la ngiyakhona ngendaba nje basaxoxa. Bengumuntu like mina mangitravela kimbo bokumo like I'm going for a holiday. Like benginesibindi esingasuke phansi because now ngifuna le mali. Ngifuna le yampilo. Remember ukuthi mina khona le mpilo engiyifunayo.
Unabantwana?
That time benginomntwana oyedwa.
Okay. Abazali bakhona.
Abazali bakhona.
Siblings?
Yes, bakhona na.
Okay, uyafika eSapol
Siyafika, ngiyangena, spend 1 week wami. So what happened is that ngelanga lele ngizohamba ngalo the following day bafike ke labantu abangamkelile. Bangamkele kahle airport bangithatha bangifake
What language are they speaking?
They were speaking English.
Okay.
Yes. Bangifaka hotel ngahlala.
7 star, 5 star.
Halela. So ilanga ukuthi tomorrow I'll be, going back to my country bafika namhlanje. Mabafika what was strange is that they came in with the luggage, a new luggage, brand new. Well, okay. This luggage is for what? But give me, what's going to happen is that you're not going to use the luggage because already with the luggage, say cocaine say from the factory. Even if when you open the luggage, you cannot see. But it can go from a factory. Mabayenza bapake the package, my trucks and stuff. So what you need to do is to offload your clothes, usifake luggage and leave this one. And then good luck. We're not gonna be with you tomorrow, but we believe all will be well. Lalela, noma sizenze izinto eziphumile, uNkulunkulu siyambisa. Simbiza nala ngafuneki khona. That night alone, Lindiwe did not sleep. I had to pray throughout the whole night to say, God, ngicela ungithwale ngize ngifike ekhaya.
uNkulunkulu begangeni.
Ngisegangeni ngiphethe. Nkosi yami siyambiza uthi komaye, Nkosi yami uvelele.
Ngoba inambiza.
Nkosi yami. Ngimbize ngasabele. Fike ekuseni ngivuke ngipaka into zami nithi bathe nofike. Phela sengisiphethe manje. Saqhuma indaba manje imove ke manje ngiphethe ama drugs cocaine qobulwa. So kuyabonakala ukuthi le nto etshelo yona ukuthi ifika ayifuneki, are you going to pass that test? Ngasitshela ngathi ngifuna le mali because leso sikhathi although I'm not going to mention figures, I don't mention figures when I motivate because it might sound interesting komunye umuntu ongimamela ukuthi mina sisilindwe nami ngifuna ukuyenza lento. The money was 2008 by then. Ayina uMalindo kaMdlalo sengene ke ngithatha iUber imloya hambe nge-airport. Fike airport ngene. Yeah, hambela phezulu.
Imitha taxi kosa
Yes. Hambela phezulu ngiyangena. Mangingena ke check in. Akunankinga. Check in wayinte ke ngimele isikhathi sokubhoda. Lapho ngiyakhuleka nge-intercede seriously angidlali.
Ungane umfundisi.
Mina ngikhuleka nyawazi.
Uyobulala isizwe.
Ithiwa into nje. Ngene ke kufika isikhathi sokuthi sibhode. Nangumusa kaNkulunkulu ngene ngibhode konke kuhambe kahle. Mina the plan was that I'm only going to do it once. Mangithola le mali ngivula ibusiness yami then ngisiphilele ngempilo engiyifunayo. Yabona? Into yangenza ukuthi ngithi ngiyaqhubeka. Mase ngibuye ekhaya ke ngaba sebangilindile boss team yonke ngiyacelebrate because remember mawubuye nama drugs wahamba successfully ngiyacelebrate imali phela for them a lot of money. So ngiyacelebrate kumnandi bangithathe bangise hotela engibhukhele lona ukuthi bangolkhame kuwo
Ngiyenza
South Africa. Ngihamba straight. Ngifike ke mangifika lapha kumnandi kuthengiwe no champagne kumnandi yazi kuhle. Mamele isikhathi sokuthi okay ngivula iluggage bayenza into zabo ke bakhipha into yabo babona ukuthi okay right iphelele. Imali yami abangibhada. Yiyo leyo scene leyo eyangenza ukuthi ngithi I'm not gonna stop. Bayithatha le mali esivumelane ngayo. Lalela bayindlala embedeni. 100 rand, 200 rand. Ngisho ukuthi imali it was all over the
bank.
Kwavele ngabona ukuthi lento engizibona ema-movie manje na ngobona lawo ma-movie lokho bayibala bayile ngathi imali iyaphila like I've arrived kule mpilo engiyifunayo. Yinto yangenza ukuthi you know what I'm not gonna stop because le life le ile bengiyibona kuma-movie I am in. Malindi ke waqhubeka ne-drug trafficking. Mangibuye ekhaya ke fine ngiphethe imali. There's a problem here because I can't show endlini ukuthi phela mina sengenza imali njengemali. Remember when we perform by then, mawuhambile uyoperforma mhlawumbe une-performance ubuye uphethe 3,000 nyana, it depends ngabantu. Ubuye uphethe lo 4,000 or 2.5. Makuthi uhleli isikhathi-ke lawo ma-2,000 wahlanganise-ke maybe ubuye uphethe 8,000. Manje ngiphethe imali serious and I can't just show off. Ngisase umntwana wala ekhaya. I'm under my parents' supervision. They monitor how I do things. I can't just show off meetings. Hey, mama, tata now 5,000 or now 10,000. Baba, you know it's gonna be so suspicious. So ulindiwe makathola imali. The thing that I was doing ngemali, ile life vele bengi-envisha to slay around. Yabo? I would just ekhaya mangifika ngizothenga izinto nyana ama grocery nanani kahle ngingajumpisi. But when I go outside, sengiphila nempinji zami, I would make sure ke bayangazi ke udluphi i-dressing bengishaya ke bebazi ukuthi uthanda impahla umntanethu ne. But imali yami bengispenda kuphi? I would go to those clubs, tops or taboo, where you buy a champagne of 5,000 rand. That's where all these drug moves will go. All these ladies yokomelana ke manje.
Okay.
This is my lifestyle. Minimali yami bengithi mangiyenza ngihambe nje ngiyosijabulisa leyo mpilo leyo. Or sometimes I'll just take myself out ngiyozibukela somewhere endaweni epholile. Yabo, just because I don't want my parents to see ukuthi sokukhona ukushaya amanzi la. We understand. So ngiqhubeke nomhlaba ke ngokugeka iAfrica. I've been to Congo, I've been to Malawi, I've been to Zambia ngilanda ama drugs. I've been to Namibia, I've been all parts of Africa. So where I'm heading to now, 2011, they said to me, Lindiwe, can you go to India? Yabo, it's India. You know what I was doing mina mangitravela? I would research ama countries ukuthi ngendaweni njani because nejele la khona, because I knew ukuthi lento engiyenzayo ekugcineni kunejele.
Oh, you knew ukuthi mawubhijimisa idakamizwa uthengisa ama-drugs uyogcina uba nje.
I knew ukuthi umusa ungaba khona uNkulunkulu angibonise wona through my parents who were praying for me without knowing ukuthi umntanabo uyenza ukungcola kungakanani. I knew ukuthi leyo grace izohamba hambe la ifika khona ikhathe khona. So I had to research in India because I used to hear ukuthi zakhala phela ejele lase-India.
Okay.
Research ngibheke ngithi yo hayi ngumuntu osaba namagundane la magundane angaka ye lela jele lapha ulala naleli ngaka ejele ngiya research phela ejele lase-India zakhala strong. Ngiya research ngiyabuza usengisho ukuthi ijele lakhona nje uphila nento ezingaka uhlala nalo lana the wailing akhona kuyafiwa lapha yana. It's not easy for a human being to survive, but they do survive because maso uboshiwe mele isithwala isiphambano sakho. Ngithi okusalayo ngizohamba. Athi kimi we need you to go to India. Ngithi fine, I'm going to. Remember uLindiwe bese kaphila nale spirit lese singiphushayo i-addiction yemali. You know, I was not normal. That's when today I realized there was this certain spirit that was behind me, pushing me. Because the boldness that I had, I don't want to lie to you. Mhlambe nomuntu bengambulala mabangathi une-million laphaya. So it was obvious. Bengambulala because bengayiphileli mina. There was this spirit.
Something was pushing you.
Yes. So ngathi ngiyaya. Ngahamba ngafike India njengenjwayelo ngahlala 1 week nabo bafika no luggage. This time around the luggage was very big because bengiphethe ama suits wamadoda. The story was to say ngiyothengisa shop yami ama suits. So I remember very well ngigene airport. So ngiyaphusha le trolley. Eyasindi luggage is very very heavy. I'm not even aware ukuthi there's a policeman that side. Ungibhekile ukuthi manje lento la kulo sisi lo yambhayizisa. There must be something yabona because kuba nalawo amapolisa angaphandle just to monitor our movement to see ukuthi lo muntu behavior kanjani. If they suspect you, they will follow you. So asondele this guy athi ma'am, hey, I wonder what you have inside here because I can see your luggage is actually heavy. Hey, no, I'm having ama suits. I've got a shop in South Africa, so I'm selling suits. I'm going to sell them in my shop. So the other thing, India, mawuthi buya South Africa. Wow. They were saying Mandela, you know. And another thing, eyangenza ukuthi ngiphaphe kakhulu ukuthi hayi la ngizophuma la. Nothing will stop me because mangena they would even bow down. Amaphoyisa wakhona Mandela. You know, when you say you're from South Africa unalanto yokuthi uba yi-celeb nyana.
Allegedly.
So I mean, I'm thinking just because of, I said I'm from South Africa, it's just been nice, this guy, to help me without knowing ukuthi khona kusolayo la. Yimnaye sengena airport. Masingena siyochecka in kuze elinye iphoyisa lithi ke ma'am, how are you? Hey, your luggage, yeah? Ayisasindi. Ngithi, hi, I've got suits inside. Athi lo baba, do you mind following us because we just want to ask you some few questions. Yabo.
India.
I say India. Like few questions. Like really? Yimi lo yasiyagibela ke siyaphezulu eoffice. Mangifika ke bathatha luggage. Mabavula khona amanye amaphoyisa ahleli etafuleni like it's like a boardroom. Bawu-2. Laba bawu-2 engizena bathatha ibag bayibeke phezulu kwetafula. But no, you can have a seat here, cool leg. Ngiyahlala, I'm like, but still ngisasenalo kuyitshela ukuthi no, hayi isasekhona ngithi.
Abangazi kahle mina dala ngidabula manje.
But again, no, we just want to check man lamasudu maningi yabo. Just want to see ukuthi ayingakhi kahle kahle. So maba busy bawavula. There's 2 police. The other ones bahleli lapha mina ngihleli la laba bala etafuleni. Bayavula ngathi bayawabala, bayawaphenya. So the other guy umbheke straight emehlweni. So nginaloku ngiyasmile ngiyana ngibuye ngibheke phansi. Ngihamba ngiyazibuza. Maba busy baloku bayenza
athi ziyakhala namhlanje.
Nginaloko but I'm having leyo kuba ne-confidence immediate no nothing bad is going to happen to you, relax.
Lalela ngingane yemfundisi.
Hayibo.
Ngiyathandazelwa ekhaya. Udala ngidabula manje.
Lalela. Athi kimi, ma'am please let's go outside. Let's go. I just want to ask you some few questions lo moya. Sifike ngaphandle masifika ngaphandle athi kimi we know ukuthi khona nisikhwameni. Like, Qale ngithi lo muntu uyangisearcha maybe yabo ngasheshi ngiphaphi. Athi no, we know ukuthi khonani but all I want to know how much do you have? I'm like, kanti isikhala yonke indawo shothi kusebenza imali. Ngithi mina, how much do I? Athi yes, how much do you have? I'm like, okay, sorry sir, just give me some few seconds, let me check. Bheke ke lama-dollars wami ukuthi kusele malini. Mangithi ngiyachecka bokusasele $1,500. Ngibuye ngithi I've got $1.5. Athi okay, I'm coming, wait outside here, ahambe ayiphakathi. Makafika phakathi thatha isikhathi ukuphuma. Makaphuma athi come inside ngene. Mangena ngimnika le mali. Ngena sebangikhomba bathi you are very lucky but don't think ukuthi the next time uzo survive, you can go. Hey. From Ulindwe, that's why ngithi mina there was a certain spirit that was really pushing me, that was really closing my eyes and ears. Ngidabulile India back to South Africa ngabhadalwa kwaba right ngabatshela ukuthi hey uhambo ucishe lapha. All I want to say is that I was supposed to learn from uNkulunkulu bese kangisayinela manje ukuthi lalela umusa manje uyala uyangathi uyaphela khona but because of less spirit addiction yokuthanda imali ngibambile.
Ilindi usufika kanjani sewuyoboshwa eArgentina? Usufika kanjani eArgentina la khona napho usuka nje eArgentina manje waphela uhlakanipha usiyaboshwa manje eArgentina uthi kajele ufika kanjani?
Well, I remember it was 2012 boss angifonele athi Indwe, can you please come to my place, we need to talk. One thing I would say and one thing I always say, I don't talk bad of this guy ukuthi mhlambe ubengibeka ispam athi ngiyenze ngoba bengifuna, and he was open enough to tell me ukuthi le country oya kuyo is dangerous. Yes, he called me, he said come to my place. I went to his place. When I got there he said to me, we need you to go to Argentina, but my dear leya country leyana i-security yakhona i-tight. Abanye bayaya babuye abanye ababuye. So I would need you to go back home uyoyicabanga. Anguforce. If you're saying yes, you will go. But if you're saying no, but the offer yase-Argentina izoba mnandi kakhulu. Because ngifika endlini mangifika endlini ngithi hayi mangikwazi ukudabuka eIndia kuleya simo nalapha and again i-offer yase-Argentina, I mean I need this money. Ngimfonele that very same day mangifika endlini ngithi no, I don't see inkinga ngizohamba. Athi good, ba-prepare yonke into, bathenga amathikithi, yimi loya ngihamba. Into engayinotice, okay, before, because now it's like sengigijima kakhulu, before ngitravela lelo viki lelo basangiprepare ithikithi nani I had a dream. God was showing me kule phupho Ngisephuphweni kanjalo ngizibona ngise-airport njengenjwayelo. Yimi lo ngidonsa luggage yami ngiyabona ngihambela phezulu.
That's a dream.
I-dream leyo. I'm not aware ukuthi luggage yami iyalika. La ngihamba khona i-drop cocaine. It's a dream.
Okay.
Drop cocaine. Ngithe ngisabhekile ephupheni ngabona there's 4 huge guys bangisurround. Bathi ma'am, can you follow us la ngamuka iphupho? That was iphupho. Ngisaprepare ukuhamba.
Okay.
But because of isibindi uyaphilisa sibindi uyabulala. Lindi uthanda imali, uthanda izinto ngathi ngiyahamba. God was showing me ukuthi la uyakhona manje ungangifaki. Yimi lo yangihamba unyanda naye ebhanoyini ngiya eArgentina. Ngangiqala ukuba nefear nguflight. That was another sign. Number 2. Ingisho man go ngithayi man. Eyani manje lento. Sifike eArgentina bangimele naba abantu bangithathe bangise ehotel. Hotel kanjalo enjoyeki this time around. Ifear ila. Bafike abantu as ngenjwayelo yabo balethi luggage ephethe ama drugs cocaine. Bathi ma'am, good luck as usual. Ayike mamdlalo as usual uyathandaza ubusuku bonke. This time around I was like prayer yami, it was very very deep and serious because fear was showing me ukuthi girl, this time around you are not lucky. Khuleke ngifaste laphayana that day nje asangihle ngizwa le fear. Vuke ekseni ngibhake yonke into. Hayi man, imeter taxi nayi la ayilisho. Thema ifika imeter taxi eminyango mase kumele ngene airport ngiyajuluka. No, namhlanje kunendaba la. Ngiyaswethwa. Like really mina.
Awusacabanga nokushena leyo bag.
Hayi kuphi ngoba manje ngiyasitshela ukuthi ngitambukile inda yes ama signs akhona we fear but khonile ukuba successfully lapha yasengiboshiwe kahle but because ukukhuluma imali I was thinking ukuthi maybe nala kuzoyenzeka same thing. Ngingene airport ngicheck in yonke into eba right. Mase sekuyabhodwa ke manje lapha ya airport. Simile line sesimele vele ukuthi check ama passport wethu ukuthi sibhode singene. Hawu mangisathi ngithi ngibheki escreenini lapha bathi there's a flight delay. Ngithi immediately ngibona that message. Kube ne voice encane ithi Khoso. After some few seconds it happened exactly as ephupheni. 4 huge guys surrounded me. Bathi ma'am, can you please follow us? Hey. Yabona Zakhala. Yabona I think mina all this while I was busy, you know, ngiphansi phezulu ne life ngitravela kumnandi bengiphile emhlabeni wami. I was living in my own planet. You know, thinking ukuthi I'm owning the world. Yeah, so Lindy was really owning the world, thinking ukuthi mina hayi ngezi izinto zenzeke. Mabathi labantu follow us ngabuye emhlabeni. You know into eyafika emqondweni wami yini? My parents. Kwabuye umama nobaba, ubuso baba emehlweni wami. Bangithatha sakhuphuka saya phezulu eofficeini. Masifika immediately when they opened the door, luggage yami lapha. Bathi sit down ngahlala. Bathi kithi ma'am, can you please give us the permission to open your luggage because we suspect ukuthi kunento engekho right. Sengithe nje manje ngisakhuluma because ngiyabona kushubile. Bavule bakhiphe yonke into bakhiphe babeke eceleni. Batholi next. Bakhulume ngeSpanish. Ngiyabezwa babuye kimi bathi ma'am, can you kindly give us the permission ukuthi si break this your luggage. We need to break because there's something inside your luggage. We suspect khona into ekhona. Lapho sokuthi qhitsi inyembezi. Hayi badile nebag. Immediately but cocaine iwe phansi. Athi ke ubaphoyisa kumina, do you know meaning yalo ukuthi isho ukuthini? Ngithi mina yes. It's unfortunate but komele uvalelwe. You know, we need to go to sit arrested because sikuthole nama cocaine. But we are only going to do you a favor. Yokuthi you can talk to your mom, your dad, your husband, your boyfriend or your sister just to tell them ukuthi kuphi because remember bazokufuna bangakwazi for iminyaka bawarisheke ngawe. So you need to talk to your people.
Abazali.
Hey, abazali bazulinda use Cape Town. I remember very well I said I'm going to Cape Town, go tour Cape Town.
Abazali bazi ukuthi use Cape Town.
Ngisemculweni.
Kanje nophesheya eLandle eArgentina usushumbisa ama drugs.
Ubishop lo noma Bishop.
Njalo befundisi njalo le.
Yeah. Hayike ngithi the only person engizokhuluma naye ubaba because I had a very it's not that I did not have a good relationship with my umambe ishop or be strict. But my dad, yabo, mangithe nyanda madlula, you know that language yethu. Saying, yeah. But let me talk to my dad. Yo, ngayithatha ifoni. Mangithatha
khona
ifoni.
ngale Argentina.
La Argentina lapha
Okay.
ema-ofisini wabe airport. Ngithi mina Madlula, hey, unjani? Athi ngiyaphila. Ngithi hey, lento engizokutshela yona baba. Ngilindele nanoma yini ezophuma emlomeni wakho. Because nginimoshile. Yabo, athi yini ngiyanda. Ngithi baba, all this while I was busy traveling around telling you ukuthi I'm going for my tours in Durban and Cape Town. Bokungasiqiniso. Mina I was busy doing drug trafficking. Ngishushumbisa ama drugs. Yazi baba wathini? That man. That's why every time when I motivate and encourage people, I always say, what I am today is because of my parents, my family. Watu baba, Madlula, take good care of yourself. Don't think about us, but zinakekele wena, because we want to see you one day. We want to welcome you back home. I'm like, hey. Mina I was expecting ukuthi mhlawumbe ubaba uzothi awusase ingane yami ulethe uhlazo la endlini nanani or uzovela aquleke ngizwe ifonini into ethi quwe phansi, but la magama ukuthi take care of yourself, good care. Like I couldn't hold myself. I cried. Ngavele ngaba wrong. From there, bangithatha, but we're going to take you to Eselin la airport. You would sleep there. Then tomorrow in the morning, sizokuse court. What is happening in Argentina akufana la ekhaya whereby uzoloku uhamba icourt kaningi yabona ungaka sentence. So ngalala Eselin. Akulaleki umbhedo unjani unawo number 2 lapha cha everything is there. Ngime ngeenyawo ngiyakhala, I'm like God. Mangiloku ngikhala kuna le voice ethi but yini ngoba ngikubonisile ngephupho.
Wangalalela.
Fike ekseni ke bangithathe bangifake kugumba yazi ke le yamoto. I'm like yimi lo. Hey. Yimi lo slay queen, the one that bekangabambeki. Sengiyongena lapha kule moto yamaphoyisa ke enkulu ke. Kunabanye ke ladies from different countries, your Thailand, your UK, abelungu sibaningi. Ngiyakhalwa ke manje. Some are saying, I left my child, she's 6 months old. Hey, this, that, sesiyaduduzana. Siye court sonke. Fike court, I met lawyer yami. Lawyer ke yasheshwa ke lapha. Basho kimi ke ukuthi foreigners in Argentina, you all do a sentence efanayo. It does not matter ukuthi utholakale ngecocaine eningi or encane, but umuntu oyi-foreign ungahlali la eArgentina nonke nenza 4 years 6 months, but you do half of it. You know what? Ngakama down because in my mind, Mr. Kanye, I was thinking udileka jele. I was thinking ukuthi maybe ngiyothola i-death penalty. Amanye ama-countries they kill you. Abakuthola nama-drugs. But ngathi uNkulunkulu ngiyabonga. Ngibonga umusa walabazali, umkhuleko wabo. Maye usebenzi.
The prayers of your parents continue to work.
Shame.
Intervene in your life.
Angifuna ukungasho. You know when they said to me you are going to serve 2 years 3 months ngathi Thixo ngiyabonga. From there basithatha ke manje bathi we are taking you to a jail ke where you are going to spend your 2 years 3 months. Lalela. Mangibona that you know leya fence ende enento eyihlabayo singaphandle manje. Ya reality yasinka ukuthi ngejele. Like lento bengasikaze ngicabane. Ngiyibonela kude nasemndenini wami ukuthi ngasondela ilethwe yimi ulindiwe the firstborn ipride yefamily yakwaMdlalozi. Like kwafika okuningi ukuthi waze waletha uhlazo. Fika ngene, the challenge was the language because they couldn't speak English, Spanish. So they had to call ama inmates aseka ama-months because you are forced to learn because every day you communicating in Spanish. Ukuthi bazongitranslateela ukuthi ngizobe ngiphila kanjani ini yenzani. Fike kuntombazana ose-KZN asho ukuthi hayi siphakathi lapha. Nkosi yami. Silana, you're going to stay ku pavilion. It's a pavilion. Ama-cells abiza pavilion. 10 ladies inside. Omunye nomunye ne-room lakhe. Ngichazela kena ukuthi kuzophileka soso ngelanguage yami. Thathe ke bavuleke loya gate leya. Hey, lo wakhaskiya. Yazakhala ke manje. Ngiyavulelwa ke manje. La gate elikhulu qoqa. Yini loyana ngiyangena ke khulu. Akathola.
Indiwe khona into engifuna siye khona.
Hey, futhi
ufika kanjani la khona? Sofika khona ukuthi ngiphoxe umndeni wami kwi-age of life. Ayikho into enje engayikhuluma. izwe ngibukela uba ufika kanjani ufika khona uthi isezweni lokuhamba ubude South Africa la ngibuya khona ngihlaza abantu aphila impilo engayona ngathanda izinto ngifuna ngiyibulala manje ngcono ngiyibulala ufika kanjani sokhona udepressed uthi ke ungcono ngifele khona la ngoba ayisasa saniboni tomorrow ufika kanjani lapho?
Well, I don't want to lie to you. The first 3 months, but we held game. I couldn't cope. And my thoughts were, what was bulala came into me. Would let me just kill myself. You know what was killing me? The humiliation that I brought in the family. Because I was thinking, how are they going to stand in front of people preaching? While mina undodakazi when they will preach, they will be preaching. The people will say, what about lo mntani osejele? So leonto leyo yayindlimaza because I even tried. I remember very well ukuthi let me just ngisuse. Ngokunomesenyana bokhona ekitchen because besine kitchen whereby lapho siyaziphekela. Nekitchen besiziphekela lapha yana. Ngaya lapha ekitchen. Ekitchen umesa khona usharp. Ngawuthatha ngangena eroomini ngaloka. But before ngenza lento bengicabanga mina ukuthi ngifuna ngathi let me pray and ask for forgiveness. Angazi forgiveness engicela kanjani kuNkulunkulu because uNkulunkulu uthi singazibulali. Ngakhuleka mangisakhuleka kwaba nephimbo elincane ukuthi remember the dream ngakubonisa yona. So you need ukuthi
So guys continue.
Yes. Mangithi ke ngisakhuleka kusho ukuthi baba sengiyasusa I can't take the pressure. Kunzima ijele ishoko. I won't lie to you. Ijele indawo engathi angeke ngithi emntwini try noma kunzima kanjani for now zama mntasekhaya wenze lokube ngikwenza kuyancengeka ejele ijele ishoko. I experienced ubumnyama le ndawo ihaqwe yifela imnyama. So I wanted to ukuthi let me just ngale plus bevuma umesi. Mangisakhuleka ukuthi kuze lephimbo lethi remember the dream ukubonisa bekezela. Kwafele kwangathi ngiphelelwa amandla. You understand? So kulelo langa lelo I had that thing yokuzibuyisela noNkulunkulu because into yangenza ukuthi mina ngikhophe ejele ukuthi ngisondeze back kuThixo ukuthi baba ngithwale. You understand? And I had a covenant with God ngalelo langa lelo. Ngilapho ngalelanga ngithathe lo mese ngithi ngiyasusa.
In a foreign country.
Yes, ngathi God, if you take me out of this place, make me not to close my mouth. Let me help others not to fall into the same trap. So I would say the covenant kept me going. Nabazali bami, family yami, their prayers did wonders for me. So ngathwaleka ngabona khambeka kungelula. 2 years 3 months yami ngayibona iphela, ngazibona ngibuye ekhaya, ngamkeleke ekhaya.
Usubuyile back ekhaya. Uwamukela kanjani umphakathi nomndeni? Remember ihlazo.
Thank you.
Umulalo wesizwe.
Yes.
Unomzali ezingikhuluma naye njengamanje. Ingane yakhe seyidakamizweni. You are one of them. The murderer, the killer. Ulanda ama-drugs overseas. Uzobulala isizwe. Kunabantu abahijackiwe. Kunabantu abalahlela izimpilo zabo usuku nosuku ngenxa yabantwana bethu abadla idakamizwa. Wena i-guilt conscience ithini kuwena? You back eMzansi South Africa. Uthini kuwena? Bakwamukela kanjani abantu? Umphakathi uthini enkonzweni khona bathini?
Well, into engayicela kubazali nefamily yami ngathi please don't disclose ukuthi ngophi.
Okay.
Just tell them ukuthi uhambile use overseas nyamazo uyacula. So mangibuya ne mina because of that covenant engayenza noNkulunkulu. Yazi there's a danger mawenza covenant noNkulunkulu bese ungayikhiphi. Ukubuya kwami it wasn't easy for mina ukuthi ngikhulume. It took me long. But because of uNkulunkulu beloka ngiphusha athi remember uthe. Uyabona? I remember it was 2019 la ngaqala khona ukuvula umlomo.
Sharing a story.
Ngikhuluma. Nakhona ngitriggerisha omunye usisi une event. Naye ukhuluma ngobunzima andlule kubona. Lela langa I will never forget in my life. Uthe makakhuluma kwangathi ngakhayiza ngascreama. Uyabona nali iphimbo beli sharp. Lethi what are you waiting for? Don't you know that nations are waiting for you? Do you forget ukuthi uyenza isivumelane nami? That very same day benginomamfundisi nabantwana bakhe bengihambe
they were the first people for me to tell them ukuthi ngibuyaphi. So as sihamba bangibuyisela endlini, mangifika ekhaya, ngathi baba nomama ngikhululeni ngivula umlomo. Uyabona? Ngiyayixoxa ke le ndaba ukuthi mina ngibuyaphi, mina bengumuntu onjani. Uyabona? So I don't want to lie to you. Ngibe nenkinga yokukhuluma because bengizibona ukuthi ngimubi. Ngibulela isizwe. Vele ngisibulele. Uyabona? And the humiliation that I brought into my family, my parents, bengibulala. But because of ngavumelana noThixo ngathi baba mangiphuma la, I will never close my mouth. I will make sure ukuthi ama ladies afana nami because abantwana youth yethu namhlanje, I don't want to lie, they like slaying. It's good you can slay, but if uslaya ngendlela yemali affordayo ngendlela right, let's go to school, let's pursue our careers and our businesses ngendlela right, not ngendlela ulindiwe yenze ngayo. That's why today I'm vocal about it, to say don't go that direction. You won't be lucky like me. Mina ngithole umusa. There are ladies abasadonsana namhlanje baniko 15-20 years, but look at me. 2 years, 3 months, because God had a purpose ngempilo yami ukuthi I am going to use umlomo wakho to save others. So this is me today.
Where are you right now? What are the future plans about uLindiwe? Esinga-expect yini esingayazi ngayo?
Well, uLindiwe, currently I'm busy nama conferences nabo mama.
I know ukuthi you just released an album.
Yes, okay.
Yes,
Any album.
Yes, an album.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah, music now uyangibiza kakhulu manje. I recently released a collaboration. There's a guy engenze na ingoma which is doing very well, and currently ngi-revive because before ngingena kwa drug trafficking, I used to work with my sister. We had an album, very powerful album. Okay. So Thandazo Mdlalose, yes. So she's my sister. We trying to revive that thing. So we've got ama singles esizowa dropper not so long ago. No Putwam. We're doing into Amanyanda. Yeah, the three of us. Yes, the Nyandas. And then also busy again nama conferences like siyaxoxisana nabantu besifazane. Ngiyabizwa ke recently, I don't want to lie, people bazwile istory sami. It happened last year ukuthi ngithole the opportunities zokuba nakoma ama radio stations all over around, and then people they get to kuzwa ukuthi ngalo sisi lo ente babambayo umntaka mfundisi maye, because there are a lot of abantwana babafundisi. I'm trying also ukuthi ngikhulume nabo namhlanje. They are living under pressure, trying ukuthi bajabulisa abazali, and yet they've got ama lifestyles wabo angeke afane noLindiwe, but angekho right. So as mina ngoLindiwe umntana we-PK today ngiphume lobala, I'm trying to help them ukuthi guys, whatever that you are doing behind la ungabona khona ekufihlakaleni liyeze linye ilanga uzohumiliate. So nama PKs nawo ngikhuluma nawo namhlanje, let's stop izinto ezingekho right and wait upon the Lord.
You can get another opportunity right now. Ethi nje umuntu uzokhokha $1 million. Sicela silandele ama drugs eSAPOL. Will you do it?
I will never. I don't want to lie. Since I came back financially, akhambi ngendlela. Knowing myself ukuthi bengumuntu ophatha imali. You know? So that is to show ukuthi uNkulunkulu, he has transformed me indeed. To say I don't want you in that life, because noma kunzima kani, I would never. The million yabo bazojika now. I would not take the offer.
Wena ngumuntu omusha usemakhaya ufuna ukuza uma-urban cities. Ufuna impilo yemlungelo ngo-States. Ukutholana nalomjida. Usele ukuthi nansi enye indlela equick yokwenza imali. What is your advice?
Siswami, mina engakusho ukuthi I know kunzima. Siyakhala sithi mhlawumbe imisebenzi ayikho, uthwele. Maybe ekhaya useli nezingane, umama, ubaba, uyikho konke. I would say don't do that. Let's wait upon the Lord. It's not easy, but God knows what we want. Yeah, yazi ukulinda, ulinde uthi Thixo uyakwazi ngudingayo. uNkulunkulu akasijabhisi. Mina that's why I always say ukuthi yes kuba nzima. Sonke sibuye bunzimeni, salalela lamazwi akaLucifer ukuthi no, you can make things happen quick. Engakusho ukuthi ama grace wethu awafani. Wena ungakuzama engukuzamile ngusisilindiwe, mhlawumbe wena ungabuyi uphelele emazweni. So let's wait upon the Lord and keep on pushing our dreams and goals. It shall be well one day.
Lindiwe, abantu abafisa ukuthi bakusebenzise nabafisa ukubona bukhoma emcimbini yonke yahlukahlukene kulo 2024 sisawuqala, ngizwile ukuthi uzobe ugijimela izikole olwisana nezidakamizwa, ufundisa ngazo ubungozi nobubi babo ezikoleni kubantu abasha. These are future leaders. Ngizwile ukuthi ey'nkonzweni hayi kulonyaka uzobe ugijima emphakathini ufundisa khona nakubantu besifazane nje-ke basathanda impilo yokusileya ongafisa ukuthi bangene kule trap owangena kuyona la wagcina khona sewuboshwa ngenxa yokushushumbisa izidakamizwa. Utholakala kuphi?
Ayike ngiyatholakala kuma-social media, nguLindiwe Mdlalose, Facebook ngikhona, TikTok ngiyatholakala, naku-Instagram. And then for my bookings, they can get me on 084-245-9788.
Kuba intokozo kakhulu kuba nawe kulo lonke lengxoxo esixoxela kusukela ekuqaleni kuze kuyimanje. Siqale kahle ingxoxo yakho yaba yinhle, yaba buhlungu, yasikhalisa sonke la studio, kodwa egcineni sonke siphume sesakhekile, savuleka amehlo u-Empadas. Siyabonga kakhulu ngokukhona bakho, sikufisela inhlanhla nesibusiso. Ngiwukhanye ngithi uNkulunkulu nakulo 2024 aqhubeke akuvulele iminyango yesibusiso, wakha abantu, uphilisa abantu besifazane abasisele kude abathi nabo bayafisa ukuphila lempilo owangena kuyona. Abanye babo basemajele, abanye bagcina sebesentenzwa, kodwa wena umusa kaNkulunkulu wakulekelela. On that note, ngizothi kini babukeli emakhaya, patient pays. Kubalekile ukubekezela esimeni okusona nokubekezela ekhaya nasikungqinamba neyinselelo okuzona. Ungayijahi impilo. Impilo ifuna abantu abazoqinisela. Ungathandi impilo yomakhelwane ngokuyibona ephumelela ngathi kuhle konke. Ngale kwempumelela nayo khona izinto ezinye ongazazi. Kanjalo nje sisonjalo emakhaya, qhubekani subscribe, qhubekani nesilandele kuma social media platform onke ethu. Uma nisichecka nithi nje conversation with Ukhanye, ngithi nibe nonyaka onesibusiso ka2024 sisawuqala. Ningavumi izimo neyinselelo neyingqinamba ukuthi zingaphumelelisi amaphupho enu. Zazi wena ukuthi ufunani, unamandla phezulu kwesimo sakho, wena ungaguqula isimo sakho nakulonyaka. Ungaqedwa ubuhlungu okubona njengamanje. Impumelelo ikuwena, okwakubopha kungakukhulula. Ngizothi kuwena mkweli osibukele noma usejele njengamanje, ungazibulali, ungacabanga ukusentenzwa, ungacabanga lelo jele kulona noma usesibhedlela ucabanga ukuthi ukuphela kwempilo. Usengaphuma lapha ejele njengoLindiwe. Iqhubeke impilo, uyenze futhi ibe yinhle kakhulu. Uwena namandla okuyikhulula la waboshwa khona. Yathola ama social media, uNkululeko Khanye, conversation with Ukhanye. God bless you emakhaya. Uhloniphe umhlaba.